Pilipino nga raw dito sa Amerika, and America in general, di ba? Materyosa. Yun yung kultura, masyadong materyosa. Parang hindi, dito nga parang people tend to work for the money. Not work in order to enjoy family, enjoy life. Parang hindi. Kundi parang they work for the money so that they can become more rich, more wealthy, more powerful.
Pero
more
sa
prestigious.
totoo lang, may difference. Alam mo kung ano? They are working. They're working hard. If they want new watch, I will work hard for that. If I
And
want,
there's nothing wrong with that.
I believe nothing wrong for as long as na it's from your own work.
Di
Pero
mo
kung
ninakaw.
nakaw yan, darling, wala kang karapatang bumili ng iPhone 17 Pro Max. Kung nakaw yan. But, if because you hard work for it, you work hard for it, then may karapatan kang i-enjoy mo yan. Ang pagiging materyosa na sinasabi natin, na marami tayong nakitang ganyan, kapag naaapektuhan na yung bills, tas
Nalulubog na sa utang.
shopping ka pa rin, yun ang problema. Pero kung hindi naman, sige, enjoy mo lang, sige. Kasi dahil sa lungkot siguro, di ba? Minsan nalulungkot sila,
Yes,
nalulumbay
yes.
sila. Or they want to send money to their family, di ba?